says she loves me. Well, you got your reasons, and you got your lies, and you got your manipulations. You're coming down the sides, say you love but you don't, give you love but you won't. If you could only see the way she loves me, maybe you would understand why I feel this way about our love and what I must do. If you could only see how blue her eyes can go when she says she loves me. Since the road less traveled shows happiness unraveled, and you gotta take a little dirt to keep what you love. That's what you gotta do.